Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Patrick, and today I want to show you a sauce that is so versatile, so flavorful. You're going to want to make a lot of it. I mean a lot. Let me show you how to make a Tinga sauce. What exactly is Tinga? It is a sauce with a base of tomato and Chipotle peppers. Chipotle peppers are a smoked jalapeno, and it is smoky, spicy, and it's really what makes this sauce. But I'm also going to add some things that are going to take it up a notch.
I'm adding the tomatillos for a little bit of tartness. You can leave the seeds in if you want it spicier. This cabbage slaw is a great accompaniment to this spicy sauce.
Now, if you've never had a Chipotle pepper, it's basically a jalapeno pepper that's been smoked, and it comes in a can in this adobo sauce. Smoky flavor. It almost tastes like chocolatey and fruity, and it's really what makes this Tinga sauce. The guajillo pepper usually comes as a dried pepper, a dried chili, and you reconstitute it in hot water so that it becomes pliable so that you can blend it. It has a nice mild spice, but it has this fruitiness to it. Traditionally, you would serve this as a chicken tinga with shredded chicken. However, we're going to do a shrimp tinga. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, smash that like button and click to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, then your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.